Hello everyone and welcome to this video. If you are looking to how to send money and receive with Zelle and to Huntington mobile app, I will show you how you can set up Zelle on Huntington. So guys, the first step you need to do, open application and log in with your credential information. After that, what you have to do, guys, from the Huntington mobile app, the first step you need to do, go to payment and click on the enroll. As you can see here, this option enroll. And after that, guys, what you have to do, just click enroll here option and click contact method with click contact with the Zelle. Click the Zelle here, and after that, guys, write your email, either an email address based your mobile phone number, and pick a recipient, write your recipient mobile or email number. After that, guys, what you have to do, just click on send money here and write your name, amount you want to send money. This is how you can set up easily, guys. I hope this video for you. See you on another video soon.